In an earlier video, I showed you several tricks and commands that you can use with Google Assistant. Many are not aware that Google Assistant also has third-party created apps, which they used to call services. While many of them are useful, some were created just for fun. Most of these apps will work on almost any device where you have Google Assistant installed, including an Android or iOS phone, Android TV, Google Home, and Chromebook. In this video, I will show you 20 apps that you can use with Google Assistant. Coming up on Tech Gumbo. Most of these third-party apps that I show today are ones that I recently discovered, and they don't need to be installed to work. These will be apps from various categories, and with each of these services, I'll give a brief description and then speak the commands to access each app. To avoid setting off your devices, I'll avoid the use of the word OK, followed by the word Google. I'll be mirroring the Android screen to a computer. At times, the sound may get muffled, but I found it works better than taking video of my phone screen or playing the audio from a Google Home device. First up is Get Motivated. This app lets you listen to motivational quotes and music to get you ready for your day. It's great for those mornings when you lack the energy to do anything. With many of these services, they involve saying the words "talk to" followed by the name of the app. Talk to, Get Motivated.
Okay, let's get motivated.
Never, never, never give up. Here is some music to boost your motivation.
What's New on Netflix gives you daily updates of what is new on the popular streaming service, including new releases, weekly highlights, along with a complete list of new TV shows and movies on Netflix. Talk to What's New on Netflix.
Sure, here's what's new on Netflix.
Here is a list with 4 new releases on Netflix. 1. Babylon Berlin, Season...
And it will continue to read on what is new with the streaming service. English King teaches proper English grammar. It's not an app that takes itself too seriously. It can also recite poems, motivational quotes, and can tell jokes. Talk to English King.
Okay, let's get English King.
Hey there, I am English King. I can do a lot of things. For example, you can ask for English grammar, poems, jokes, quotes, interesting facts, and today's word. So what are you moodin' for?
Today's word.
Today's word is crippled, meaning of a person unable to walk or move properly, disabled. A crippled old man of a machine severely damaged.
Interesting facts.
Bananas are curved because they grow towards the sun. One more?
Stop.
Thank you for using English King.
Bitcoin prices will get you the latest price and chart for Bitcoin, along with hundreds of alternative coins, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Dash. Talk to Bitcoin prices.
All right, getting Bitcoin prices.
Would you like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or an altcoin price?
Altcoin.
What altcoin price would you like to know?
Dash.
Dash is $726.66, 0.063 Bitcoin, 0.77 Ether. Market cap estimate is $5.7 billion US dollars. All numbers are approximate.
Heavy rain? Simply just play sounds from a heavy rainstorm for 2 minutes to help you relax. Talk to Heavy Rain.
All right, getting heavy rain.
For a Lottery Number gives you 6 random numbers for use with playing the lottery. Talk to For a Lottery Number.
Sure, here's for a lottery number.
Your lucky lottery numbers are 41, 18, 32, 34, 33, and 11. I repeat, 41, 18, 32, 34, 33, and 11. You got the Midas touch.
Wine Guide will give you wine pairing recommendations based on the food you'll be eating. If you drink wine with your meals, this app is very useful. It also gives pairing recommendations for snacks. Talk 2 Wine Guide.
Alright, getting wine guide.
I can help suggest wines to pair with the food you're eating. Are you 21 or older?
Yes.
Great. What food or dish do you want to pair with?
Lasagna.
Chianti, Barbera and Barolo will all pair well with lasagna. Anything else you'd like me to pair?
Yes.
Okay. What is it?
Popcorn.
For popcorn, I recommend champagne or Chardonnay. Anything else you'd like me to pair?
No.
Okay. Talk to you soon.
Virtual Nurse offers information about illnesses, medications, and first aid advice. Examples of questions you can ask are, how do I perform CPR? What are the symptoms of the flu? And so on. You can also ask about the side effects of medicine that you are taking. I'll just ask it a simple question. Otherwise, the responses can get quite long with this app. Talk to Virtual Nurse.
Sure, here's Virtual Nurse.
Let's get started. I'm Virtual Nurse. I can provide you with information about illnesses, medications, and first aid. This app is for informational and educational purposes only. Please always dial 999 or your country's equivalent emergency number. How can I help you today?
What is the emergency number in Italy?
The number for medical emergencies and to call for an ambulance in Italy is 112.
Here's one for you dog owners out there. Dr. Doggy lets you know what foods are safe for them to eat. Talk to Dr. Doggy.
Alright, getting Dr. Doggy.
Hello, I'm Dr. Dog. What food would you like to know about? You can say things like, can my dog eat chocolate?
Can my dog eat apples?
Apples are fine, but apple seeds can be very toxic for your pup, so make sure you don't give your dog an apple core.
Talk to Dr. Doggy.
Sure, here's Dr. Doggy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dog. What food would you like to know about?
Can my dog drink beer?
No beer for dogs. Even a small amount can lead to vomiting, brain damage, and even death.
Magical Sorting Hat is a personality quiz for Harry Potter fans to determine which magical house you would be sorted into if you went to Hogwarts and used the sorting hat. Talk to Magical Sorting Hat.
Sure, here's Magical Sorting Hat.
Let's play the personality quiz game. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Great. I have 7 questions. Here comes the first one. Would you volunteer to help a friend move a couch?
Yes.
Thanks. Next question. Do you love reading books?
No.
Great. Here's the next one. Which would you rather do for fun? Sleep or karaoke night?
Karaoke night.
Thanks. Next question. What if your friend calls you in middle of night? Disconnect and sleep, or receive call and talk?
Receive call and talk.
Okay, next question. Did you grow up far away from where you live now?
Yes.
Great. Here's the next one. You believe in hard work or shortcut?
Hard work.
Got it. Last question. What if someone bothers you? Walk away or fight?
Fight.
I have your result. This is exciting. You have been assigned to Gryffindor. Want to give it another try?
No.
Okay, try again later, if you like.
Time Machine lets you travel back in time to listen to the headlines from the same day of the year from the past. Talk to Time Machine.
Alright, getting Time Machine.
The date is February 20th, 1882. These are your headlines. A special from Salida reports that a passenger train ran into the caboose of a freight train in Marshall Pass yesterday.
It will continue to read all the headlines from that date. A feature they should add is allowing the user to select the year. Roastmaster will insult you or your friends in a very friendly manner. This app warns that it sometimes uses mildly profane words, so if you're the sensitive type, you may want to avoid using this app. If you just want a generic insult, say, "Talk to Roastmaster."
All right, getting Roastmaster.
Your eye-watering bollock bonnet, you know.
And if you want to insult somebody specifically, use their name in this phrase. Ask Roastmaster to insult Logan.
Okay, let's get Roastmaster.
Logan is corrugated pranny kipper and should be ashamed of that.
Tender is a cocktail recommendation service. Here you can learn how to make all sorts of drinks. If you know what you want, you can also find out the ingredients you'll need for that drink. Talk to Tender.
Okay, let's get Tender.
This is Tender, a cocktail recommendation service. What kind of drink are you in the mood for?
What's in a Long Island iced tea?
A Long Island iced tea is made with gin, Blanco tequila, light rum, vodka, triple sec, simple syrup, lemon juice, and cola. Want how to make it?
No.
Okay. Would you like another drink?
No.
Thank you for using Tender. Enjoy your drink and come back soon.
Mr. Grumbles is here for you if you're having a bad day to listen to your complaints. Talk to Mr. Grumbles.
All right, getting Mr. Grumbles.
Oh, it's you. What is it this time?
My boss is a jerk.
That was your biggest gripe? Wait till you hear this. I went on vacation recently, but the seats were so comfortable that I fell asleep and completely missed the in-flight movie. Come back when you have something worth griping about.
The misfortunate cookie is the opposite of a traditional fortune cookie. These fortunes do not present an optimistic outlook for your future. Talk to the misfortunate cookie.
Okay, let's get the misfortunate cookie.
Hi, I'm the misfortunate cookie. Can I tell you about your mildly annoying future?
Yes.
It's great to hydrate, but today it's your ketchup that's watery. Feeling lucky and want to try again?
No.
Have a misfortunate day.
Quora is a well-known and popular question and answer website. Using their Google Assistant app can quickly get you to the answers without having to navigate to their site. Talk to Quora.
All right, getting Quora.
What's your question?
How much would an iPhone cost if Apple were forced to make it in America?
Here is an answer by Glenn Luck, investor at Luke Capital. In the $30,000 to $100,000 range, and no, this is not a typo. In fact, if Apple were forced to solely manufacture the iPhone in America, there is a good argument that it would not be able to manufacture any at all. Would you like to ask another question?
No.
Okay, goodbye.
Mad Libs is the popular word game where you can create interesting and sometimes hilarious personalized stories. With this one, I'll just answer a few of the questions and then stop. Talk to Mad Libs.
Sure, I'll pretend to go get a pencil. This is Mad Libs, the world's greatest word game. I'll help you fill in the blanks. This Mad Lib takes 15 words. To stop playing early, just say stop. Get ready. First, I need an adjective.
Awesome.
Okay. How about one more adjective?
Intelligent.
Great. A verb.
Dance.
Good. I need a part of the body.
Leg.
Cool. Tell me an adjective.
Stop.
Just so you know, I can't save your work. Do you still want to quit?
Yes.
All right, thanks for playing.
And I'll leave the rest of this for you to try out on your own. Today I Learned is a trivia game full of weird, random facts that may surprise you. Talk 2, Today I Learned.
Okay, let's learn.
So glad to have you back at Today I Learned. Let's do this. Here comes your first question. Reagan and Gorbachev informally agreed that the US and USSR would assist each other in the event of an alien invasion, minimizing greenhouse gases, or colonizing Mars.
Colonizing Mars.
That was too tough. Sorry, I was looking for the event of an alien invasion. Question 2. Coming up. In what month is the Munich Oktoberfest beer festival held? October, December, or September?
September.
Excellent. That's correct. How about this one?
We'll stop this one now too. This will continue on and ask you 5 questions. Some of the answers can be quite interesting. Now for the most ridiculous app in this video. Unleash the Fart will give you a random toot. Talk 2, Unleash the Fart.
Sure, here's Unleash the Fart.
Quick, pull my finger.
Well, it wouldn't be right to leave you with that last one, so we'll finish with another motivational app called Daily Motivation, which will give you an inspirational quote or short story. Talk 2, Daily Motivation.
Okay, let's get Daily Motivation.
Hey, it is me, Daily Motivation. Doing my best to keep you inspired and motivated. What are you feeling today, a quote or a short story?
Quote.
If you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. This quote was said by Steve Jobs. Visit tomorrow.
If you're curious about the other things that you can do with Google Assistant, I'll put a link in the description. Along the left side, they now have everything sorted by category. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it was useful for you. Let me know in the comments if there are other apps for Assistant that you think others would enjoy, including those made by Google. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and ring the bell notification icon for more tips, tricks, and other tech-related stuff from Tech Gumbo.